I'm sure it has happened to you that you have deleted some stories, but now you wish that you didn't. Maybe you want to add them back to your highlights. Maybe you want them to be in your archived stories. So in this video, I am going to show you a way that you can recover your deleted stories on Instagram. Let's say I'm on my Instagram and I want to recover or restore the stories that I recently deleted. So what I do is first I tap on the little profile icon at the bottom right corner. And here you want to tap on these three lines at the top right corner in order to open settings. And here you want to tap on your activity. On this list, you can see one option says recently deleted, so you want to tap on that. And as you can see here, these are the deleted posts. And if I tap on this, these are the recently deleted stories. For example, this one, I just deleted it today. So there are 30 days left until this story is not recoverable anymore. But until those 30 days are over, if I tap on it and then tap on more at the top right corner, it gives me two options, either deleted, which means it will be deleted permanently, or restore, which means it will restore my story, maybe add it to my archive if it was from my archives, or if it was a story, people can have interactions with it again. And simple as that, you can restore your stories that have been recently deleted. But keep in mind, if you have deleted a story for more than 30 days, you will not be able to restore it again. Hope this helps, and why don't you leave me a comment if you have anything to add to these things.